Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thanks again for joining me. Well, today I'm taking another trip to the Dollarama because I didn't have a lot of success on my last one, as you probably remember. I was looking for Halloween items and they were far in between. I think they were about to put them out when I went, so I didn't have a lot of success. So come with me and let's see what they have this time around. This time I'm at the Dollarama at the Dufferin Mall, and that's by Dufferin and Bloor. So let's see what they have. So I hadn't seen these before. These are pineapple shaped little serving platters or for d'oeuvres or what have you. So these were really pretty. They were a set of 3, and if I'm not mistaken, they were $4. And this is really nice too, this baking dish for Thanksgiving or just for fall baking in general. Those are really nice and quite decent prices compared to other retails. They have quite a variety now of clear dishes, and these are really pretty, especially to present your food. I'm really digging clear or just a simple plain white. And they have very nice bowls, different variety of bowls, large bowls, smaller bowls. Really like this color one, this Tiffany blue, I guess you can call it. And they have these pastel colors for ice cream. I guess those would be more for summer, but pretty nonetheless. And these are still, I've seen these in the summertime. And these mason jars where you can actually write your name with, or whatever saying you want, in chalk, but again, nothing new. They still had these from summertime, these set of 4 mason jars with lids. Very pretty. I think those would make fabulous Christmas gifts as well. And for $4, $1 a mason jar, you really can't beat it. These salt and pepper shakers were really nice as well in the stainless steel. They match a lot of decor nowadays. And these were really nice with the bamboo lids. I really like these. These were new to my store and they're $3 each. But I really am liking the bamboo lid. I'm really liking these battery operated candles coming up. They're like a bark or birch. As I mentioned, it is battery operated, so no worries about little hands or your fur babies getting hurt with these. Very nice, very rustic for rustic decor. Yay, finally I see some fall decor. These are really pretty, these little centerpieces, and these are little clip-on fall colored flowers, so really pretty. And these are little centerpieces that you can put on your table or hall table, coffee table. Really cute. And these are actually candle holders, so you can put nice candles on top of them as well. I'd recommend the battery operated because we don't want any fires. They have a variety of different pumpkins. They have these ones which I've seen people DIY them and actually carve them. Not sure if that's possible. And they have these ones here that have glitter on them. Very pretty. They pretty much have anything to match your decor. They have a green, an orange, so definitely not your plain orange pumpkins out there. They have different colors. And this is gorgeous. The big thanks sign, very nice. These, if you see them in your store, grab them because they will not last. Very pretty. And these are serving trays. Again, it's start your car because these, if they're not already gone, they will be. Absolutely beautiful. $4. You can't go wrong. At Michael's it would cost you a lot more than that. And they're very well made. I absolutely love those. They also have a variety of stickers, pencils, erasers, so they're great for little loot bags if you have any children in your life that are in the earlier grades and they like to give out little loot bags to their friends, their classmates, these are great. And pencils and erasers, you know they're going to use them, so it's not something they would toss out. Well, I would hope not. They also have these pre-printed t-shirts, Halloween t-shirts for $4. Definitely can't go wrong with $4, a lot more expensive elsewhere. And they have a variety of different costume accessories, wigs, face paint, you name it, they pretty much have it. They even have full costumes if you need one. If you're throwing a Halloween party, Dollarama is the place to go. They have plates, cutlery, cups, glasses, goblets, all with the Halloween theme. You can't not go wrong. This I really adore. I saw this last year, but I really like it. It's $4. It's a tree trunk, but it lights up. Super duper cute. We have the skeleton faces, the skulls, you name it, they have it. I'm so loving this tree trunk. I was trying to get it to work, but the battery didn't seem to be working, or you probably have to pull out that little plastic tab. These as well were from last year, but they're nice nonetheless. These black cats and purple cats and lime green cats, they were also available last year, but they're really cool. They're really nice accessory for your Halloween decor. I really like them. And they make an impactful statement, I would say. Oh my goodness, and this Dollarama not only had Halloween, but they also have Christmas decorations. Yes, my favorite time of year. Now, they didn't have too many, but they started slowly putting it out, and it just made me so happy. I mean, Christmas just makes me happy and puts a smile on my face. So let's have a look and see what they have. Oh my goodness, and look what they have here. I didn't get a very good picture of it, but look at this. They have snowsuit pants. Yeah, you heard me. Snowsuit pants at the Dollarama. They had the light blue, the black, which goes with everything. I couldn't believe it. $4 for snowsuit pants. Wow. Definitely one of those items where if you don't pick it up, they won't have it for very much longer. And that brings us to an end of the shop with me at Dollarama. I certainly hope you enjoyed it. I know I did. And I'm looking forward to when they bring out all the Christmas items. I'm hoping they have a lot of new items because that is definitely my favorite time to shop at Dollarama. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you on my next video.